If you need to find your Hostinger ESP address, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to locate it inside your Hostinger account, step by step. This is useful if you're connecting a domain, updating DNS records, pointing a website to hosting, or troubleshooting a setup issue. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen. You should see a section called Websites. Click on Websites to open your website management area. After that, find the website you want to check and open its dashboard. The dashboard is where Hostinger keeps the main controls and details for that specific site. If you manage more than one website, make sure you choose the correct one so you get the right IP address. Now, on the sidebar again, look for Hosting Plan. Click on Hosting Plan and then select Plan Details. This is the section where Hostinger shows important information about your hosting account, including technical details that you may need for setup or connection purposes. Once the Plan Details page opens, look for the IP address listed there. That is the Hostinger IP address you need. You can copy it and use it wherever your setup requires it, such as DNS configuration, domain pointing, or server-related instructions. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll and check the available account details carefully. Hostinger organizes this information in the plan overview, so the IP address should be available inside the hosting information area. And that's it. You've now found your Hostinger IP address in just a few clicks. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now you can use that IP address for your website setup with confidence. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.